What's up, guys? Welcome, Crypto FUD. All right, let's jump right into this. So, sorry, firsthand, yesterday we did not have a stream, but it was okay. Everything's fine. We were kind of just basically waiting for this week to start up. Yesterday, if you did catch the video, I was saying that I was anticipating some kind of a big, not a big, but possible pump starting as early as last night to today, Monday, coming in. This is going to be a big week for us. We're either going to crash and burn or we're going to the moon. There's going to be no in betweens, right? So right now, we are going to check out Milady, but I did want to point out last night we did have a sell off on Bitcoin and Milady. We're going to go back to Milady in a second, but you saw for Bitcoin we did drop. It wasn't even a big sell off for Bitcoin, right? But we saw a drop down to about 43,200. But since then, as of today, look what's exactly happening. As Monday's coming in, they shook everybody out yesterday, liquidated a lot of longs, and now we are basically on the verge of hitting. We just hit 45,000 right here, just live, right? This is Monday morning, 7 o'clock. I'm sure a lot of you guys are still sleeping, but the point is, you can see Bitcoin is going crazy right now as far as up and down, volatile. But we did just slap 45,000. That is a big thing. Think about this. We haven't hit 45,000 since a little bit about a week ago when we were anticipating that the ETF was going to get approved for whatever reason on one of these days when we knew deadline was going to be between the 5th and the 10th, which is basically this week that we're in right now. So Bitcoin is moving. Bitcoin is moving. Now, going to our beloved Milady, we did see last night, we did drop down to the 48, about the 49, right? But remember, the whole market was kind of moving down. You're always going to have these dramatic moves with Milady because the market cap is so small. So just understand this, right? Just take the fear out of it. I know it gets a little bit nerve wracking, right? When you see maybe Bitcoin's down 1% and Milady's down 15%, right? Gets a little nerve wracking, but I keep explaining to you, when you have a market cap that is 100th, probably 1,000th, I haven't even done the math of what Bitcoin is. When you see Bitcoin move 1%, 2%, which is a pretty big move for a project that's basically about $1 trillion. When you have a project that's worth 30 or $40 million, it's going to move a lot more, right? There's going to be a lot of dramatic moves towards the downside. But on the pro of the side is that when we're moving up, you're going to see Milady moving up tenfold compared to a lot of these projects because the market cap is so low. So we did drop down to that 49, we'll call it 49 mark, right? Well, since then, we've been moving up. We have moved up about 9.5% since last night, right? So we are on the right direction. This is zoomed in on the 30-minute. We did break the 20-day SMA simple moving average, right? We had a couple confirmation bounces above it. Looks great. Again, we're going to go back up and have to retest this pivotal. It's going to be that pivotal 50-day, that dreaded 50-day moving average. But once we break that 50-day, hopefully it's today. If it's not, when we do, mark my words, and we have the 50 and the 20-day under us, beneath our heels, we are going to start shooting up. All right, so you guys be ready. This could be a big week. Like I said, this is a hold 'em or fold 'em kind of a week, right? But regardless of whatever happens, we're still going to have a great year in front of us, right? So just, be ready. Emotionally be ready, right? Now, Milady's market cap sitting at around $38 million. We have gotten to that spot where it's just like such a micro market cap. Buying in right now, not financial advice, but just buying right now, you are getting a project that is just, I mean, the opportunities is just insane when this thing actually shoots up. It is absolutely insane. It really is. So, like I said, Milady right now, we have been down and out. We've been moving down. We have been having these little drops, but we've been rebounding. But who cares? Because we're looking long term. Market cap sitting at around 39 million. So this thing is such a small market cap for a meme coin that's going to be a big player in the meme coin realm when we get into this. So again, still waiting to see how my drawing looks all terrible. Don't judge me. But you guys remember, I'm waiting to see. I'm anticipating if this ETF, as we move closer to the ETF. Oh, one thing real quick. I don't mean to backtrack and be all over the place, but Bitcoin dominance is almost at 53%. Remember, we've been calling this. It's been actually moving faster than what I've been predicting, but I wouldn't doubt if we don't get information today, and maybe we have to wait like another day or two, we're most likely going to see Bitcoin's dominance continue to rise. So as of today, tomorrow, we might see a 53, getting close to 53 and a half. I think we're going to top out somewhere around 53 to 53. And let me 53 and a half to 53.8 is basically 1% more is what I'm saying we're probably going to top out at as far as dominance for Bitcoin, but we'll have to see how that goes. But what I'm predicting for Bitcoin is that we're probably going to see, like I keep saying, guys, we're going to see some kind of a run up. Let's say scenario ETF gets approved, we're going to see somewhere up around 47 to 48,000 and possibly a sell the news kind of event. I keep telling you guys, really what we're waiting for to see that confirmation of where we're going to bounce after the sell the news. If we can bounce above that 45, 46,000 mark, that'll be setting us up for a very, very bullish move getting into the, February, March. We have the halving coming up in April. So we have some big things coming. And as we make those moves, obviously you're going to see Milady making her way back up as well. So you guys, just be ready, be emotionally ready. This week is going to be one of those volatile weeks. Hopefully it's going to be towards the upside, but you have to always prepare, right? You have to always prepare. We could be seeing some dramatic moves towards the downside if we get if we don't get approved for this ETF, right? So make sure you have some dry powder on the side to pick that dip up because it could be a dramatic dip, right? So other than that, guys, I'm going to leave it there. We will 100% have a stream tonight around 6 to 7 p.m. tonight, Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you guys tonight, all right? Thank you so much.